Hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox the C72 UHF RFID Reader and see how it helps to scan stock in Jewelsteps jewelry software. Let's get started. Here is the C72 UHF RFID Reader. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box we get a user manual guide, the C72 UHF RFID Reader and its accessories. Let's take a closer look at the accessories. It includes a power adapter and a USB Type-C cable for charging. The device comes with a massive 8000 mAh battery for long-lasting use. Now let's take a look at the main device, the C72 UHF RFID Reader. It features a 5.2-inch IPS LTPS 1920x1080 touchscreen display, providing a clear and smooth interface. You can easily connect the C72 UHF RFID Reader with Jewelsteps jewelry software using the Jewelsteps RFID app available on the Play Store. Once connected, you can start scanning stock seamlessly. With the C72 UHF RFID Reader, you can scan stock effortlessly. It has an ultra-fast read rate of 1300 plus tags per second, ensuring quick and efficient inventory tracking. That's all for today's unboxing and overview of the C72 UHF RFID Reader. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.